Is your Blox Fruits gameplay on mobile more of a slideshow than an adventure? Don't smash that phone just yet. I'm here to show you how to fix that lag and get smoother gameplay, even on low-end devices. First up, let's dive into your Blox Fruits settings. Tap the menu button on the left side of your screen, then tap the settings icon. Lowering your graphics quality is your first line of defense. Reduce the graphics quality to the lowest setting. This minimizes the strain on your phone's processor, making a noticeable difference in performance. Next, adjust the display settings. Turn off shadows. Shadows look great, but they demand a lot of processing power. Turning them off will boost your frame rate significantly. And adjust the particle quality to low, or even disable it completely. These visual effects can really bog down your device. Now, let's move outside the game. Clear your device's cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Blox Fruits, then tap Storage. Tap the Clear Cache button. On iOS, you may need to offload or reinstall the app to clear the cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can slow down your game. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. These apps consume precious resources, leaving less for Blox Fruits. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or use your device's task manager to close apps you're not actively using. Finally, consider restarting your device before playing Blox Fruits. A fresh restart clears the system's memory and ensures a clean slate for optimal performance. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Blox Fruits gameplay, even on a low-end mobile device. Now get out there and become the Pirate King or the strongest Marine.